Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Zwift, found at www.zwift.com. Zwift provides a unique and engaging platform for cyclists and runners to train, compete, and connect with a global community, all from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Zwift offers a variety of options to suit your needs. One of the core features of Zwift is its immersive virtual worlds. These meticulously designed environments offer a visually stimulating experience as you navigate diverse landscapes, from rolling hills and sprawling deserts to bustling cityscapes and even fantastical realms. These visually rich courses help keep your training engaging and motivating, making those long rides or runs fly by. Beyond the visuals, Zwift incorporates structured workouts and training plans, catering to various goals and fitness levels. Whether you're aiming to improve your endurance, increase your speed, or simply maintain a consistent fitness regimen, you'll find a plan that works for you. The platform also integrates with popular fitness trackers and devices, allowing you to seamlessly track your progress and analyze your performance data. A key aspect of the Zwift experience is its social component. Connect with friends, join group rides or runs, and even participate in virtual races and events. This element of community and competition adds another layer of motivation and enjoyment, transforming your solo indoor training into a shared social experience. Zwift truly shines in its ability to gamify indoor training. Earn badges, unlock new gear, and customize your avatar as you progress through the platform. This gamified approach can be a powerful motivator, helping you stay committed to your fitness goals and making the entire process more rewarding. Whether you're looking to escape the elements, stay motivated during the off-season, or connect with a global community of fitness enthusiasts, Zwift offers a compelling platform for indoor training. It combines immersive visuals, structured workouts, and social interaction to create a truly unique and engaging fitness experience. Be sure to check out the link in the description and explore what Zwift has to offer.